Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to change your highlight title on Instagram. Whether you want to correct a mistake or simply refresh your profile, this process is quick and easy. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your device. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home feed. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This action will take you directly to your profile page where all your posts and highlights are displayed. Now, look just under your bio section. Here, you will see all your highlights. Find the highlight that you want to edit. When you locate it, click and hold on it until a menu appears. This step is crucial as it allows you to access the editing options for that specific highlight. In the menu that pops up, choose Edit Highlight. This will open a new screen where you can make changes to the highlight details. Here, you'll see the current title of your highlight displayed prominently. To change the title, simply erase the old name and enter a new one that better reflects the content of your highlight. Keep in mind that shorter titles often look cleaner and are more visually appealing since they fit better in the limited space provided. Once you've entered your new title, don't forget to click Done at the top right corner of the screen. This final step saves your changes and updates the highlight title immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the title of your Instagram highlight. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how your profile looks and how easily followers can navigate through your content. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider sharing it with friends or checking out more tips on managing your Instagram profile effectively. Happy Instagramming!